Hi, this is Stacy. In this video clip we will mix the glue, liquid starch, and the food coloring. First we are going to use the liquid starch, and I decided to use the half a cup. You can use either a larger one or a smaller measuring cup depending on how much you want to make. So go ahead and measure your liquid starch. Next, I'm going to add the glue, and you'll need double the amount of glue, so I'll need 1 cup. The last thing you'll need to add is food coloring. You can add whichever color you like. I've decided to do red. The more you add, the darker it will be. The less you add, the lighter it will be, so it's your judgment of how much you want. I've decided to put on gloves. Food coloring will stain your hands pretty bad. Just use your hands to mix the glue, liquid starch, and food coloring together. If you feel like you need more food coloring, you can go ahead and add that. It does take a while to get it all together. This is the consistency the Silly Putty should be. When you stretch it apart, it shouldn't fall apart. All the ingredients should be together. It does take a while to get it to stretch to look like this. So just keep mixing it together and it will come together.